Hello, welcome back. Alrighty, let's jump into the third type of problem, solving systems of equations by elimination. With elimination, I either want to get rid of all my x's or I want to get rid of all my y's. Now, let's try. I know the first step for elimination is adding two equations together. Let's try it and just see if anything cancels naturally. Okay, I've got negative 12 minus 6. That's going to give me negative 18x's. Okay, and then we've got negative 4 plus y. Negative 4y's plus y, which is going to give me negative 3y's. And then 12 plus 6 is 18. Well, dang it. My goal was to get rid of either x's or y's. Unfortunately, that didn't happen here. Man, you know what would be nice is if this bottom y right here was a positive 4. That would be super nice if we had a positive 4 down here, because then we have a negative 4 up here and they would end up canceling. I wonder if there's anything we can do to turn that bottom y into a positive 4. Right now, what's in front of this y is a secret invisible 1. Is there anything I can times by 1 that will equal positive 4? 1 times 4 is positive 4. So I wonder if I times this equation by 4, if I'll end up having a letter that cancels. Let's give it a try. So I've got negative 6 times 4, which will give me negative 24 x's. Then I've got 4 times 1, which will give me positive 4 y's. And then equals 4 times positive 6, that's going to give me 24. Okie dokie. Alrighty, let me just rewrite, there's the bell. Let me just rewrite this top equation here. So I've got negative 12x minus 4y equals 12. Let's add these together and see if anything cancels now. So I've got negative 12 minus 24. That's going to give me negative 36. Let me use a different color. Negative 36x. Negative 4 plus 4 cancels. Great. Okay, well, I'm glad we got one that cancels. So then we're going to equal 12 plus 24. That's going to equal 36. Now, I'm just going to scooch over because I'm out of room. So negative 36x equals 36. To get rid of a negative 36 times x, I would undo that. Like, what's the opposite of timesing by x? Dividing. So let's divide each side by negative 36. Chop, chop. Okay, so x is going to equal negative 1. Well, great. Now that I know what x is, I can plug it in anywhere I see an x, and it will tell me what y is. So why don't I pick, and you can pick any equation you want. It does not matter. I think I'll probably pick the top equation, just for fun. So I'm going to rewrite it right here. Negative 12x, which I know is negative 1, minus 4y's equals 12. And I just copied that. Okay, now negative 12 times negative 1, that's going to give me positive 12 minus 4y's equals 12. Let's go ahead and get rid of this positive 12. Let's minus 12 from both sides. Chop, chop. Okay, so we've got negative 4y equals, oh, I guess it cancels from both sides. That equals 0. Okay, next step, divide everything by negative 4. Chop. So we get y equals 0. So it looks like then my answer will be negative 1, 0. Now, this problem that I chose to do, it's kind of a medium level problem because I only needed to multiply one of the equations by something to change up everything so that a letter could cancel. Sometimes you will need to multiply both equations by some number in order to get stuff to cancel, and that's totally fine. Okay, let me know if there's anything else I can do to help. Ladies and gentlemen, good luck on your test.